So one last video to go over this last week of class. We are almost done with the online section of 1313. Let's take a look at what we have coming up. So this last week we've got the advertising branded content assignment. So you've already studied about advertising. This branded content assignment is about producing some content about the benefits of attending Texas State. All the instructions are on tracks, of course. But think about this in terms of looking up some interesting facts about the university, some resources. There's plenty of information on the Texas State website. I pointed you to a few pages. It should be about the mission of the university, which is education, but it's okay to throw in a little bit of fun. Remember that you'll need a headline and a byline, links to some of the content information that you're referring to, and a photo, which can be a photo that you took, preferably if you have one in your files, or if you need to find a Creative Commons photo, as we discussed in the ethics lesson and the copyright lesson that'll be coming up. So if you need more information about that, look ahead a little bit to the lesson on copyright. That'll be helpful. So then we have the next lesson coming up after that is law and ethics, and those are there's a number of mini lectures here and a couple of quizzes, but there are no additional assignments with that. Do know that the last time to submit extra credit is coming up, so there's the 1% extra credit, which you can do if you haven't missed more than 3 assignments. So that large extra credit, and then there's the media mistakes extra credit, which you submit through the media mistakes forum, and that goes to the quizzes category. So if you've missed a quiz, that's a good idea to do to help you with a bump there. Also, we have the course evaluations. It's really important for you to do the course evaluations. They shouldn't take very long. By now you're familiar with them. We have the School of Journalism, the SJMC evaluation that's a little bit longer, and then there's the 5-question evaluation for the university that you do on every class. So those are through ePortfolio. You should have an email about that. There's a bit of an instruction in the lesson as well. And then, of course, the final review. So the final exam is this week, the last week of class. The final exam is available now, so as soon as I post this, I'll make sure that the final exam is available, so you can take that, absolutely can take it early if you'd like. There is a study guide posted as well. Part 1 will be similar to the midterm, where it's cumulative, though, covering all of the semester based on the previous quizzes that you've taken and that content from the textbook. It is a random draw of questions, so don't expect that you'll get all the same ones you got in the quizzes before. And then also the writing. So the writing portion of the final is similar to the midterm, although there's an added element of social media. So you've got to write a social media post on your exam, but you will not actually post that because this is not going to be a real scenario. So you won't post it, but you have to write a short social media post. So to prepare for the final writing, particularly study the feedback that you've been given on your previous stories, review the common mistakes lesson if that would be helpful, and good luck on the final exam.